welcome to our channel. Here we are back again in
Cook with Passion.
And today we're gonna cook a pizza, a really special one, because this one is without yeast.
Yes, and the mozzarella will be cooked at the end, so it will be very digestive. Yeah. So yeah,
we can go.
let's cook together. Okay, the first very important information is that you have to buy the best
Ingredients.
you find on the market. So let's see what we need for doing this pizza.
So we need tomato sauce,
Yeah.
whole wheat flour,
Yeah.
mozzarella,
Yeah.
cooking mat,
Yeah.
baking tray with tin foil on it,
Yes.
and baking paper,
Okay, so let's start.
and salt.
Let's start.
And a little bit oil.
Now we prepare everything together. You take a ciottola from the... Name a ciottola?
That's Italian.
You name a ciottola.
Sorry.
How do you say ciottola?
I'll show you. I'll teach you some Italian too.
Okay.
So in Italy, we call this a ciotola.
Ciottola. This is a ciottola. You want to learn Italian? Ciottola. Okay. Well, to do the mix, you have to take flour and water, and the proportion is 1 of water and 3 of flour. So if today we cook pizza for 4 people, so we take 2 cups of flour and the water you need, 1/3 of the cup with water. So let's start. 1 cup and 2. So that's enough. And then we put 1/3 of a cup with warm water. 1 and 2. Then you put 1 for each cup. You put 1 spoon of oil. 1 and 2 spoons of oil. And then we put a little bit salt. We put a little bit salt.
A little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt, like this. All right. Then you start with a gobble.
Fork.
Fork and 2 cups.
Not fork.
Fork. Then you have to wash your hand, of course. And then when it's like this, you can start using your hands and mix it very well, very good. No, well, sorry about my English, but you know, I'm not really English. I'm a little bit Italian, I'm a little bit Cuban, I'm a little bit African, I'm a little bit everything.
A little bit German too.
All right, so look this mix.
While my dad is doing the mix, we're gonna turn on the oven and set it on static way. We're gonna put it on 250 degrees on the maximum here. While we cut the mozzarella, we are gonna put the mix in the fridge. So here we cut the mozzarella in big pieces because it shouldn't evaporate too much. And here, next to the mozzarella, we have the tomato sauce. We're gonna put some salt in it so it gets tasty. A little bit more, but not too much. Okay. cutting it, you have to put it on the working top and put some flour in it so the mix won't stick on it. Like this. Then a bit more. Okay, now that we put flour in it, we have to cut the mix in half.
To cut.
To cut the mix. Like this.
Mozzarella.
And make a ball out of it. Like a tennis ball. Like this, right?
Dan decide.
You put it
Oops.
here. Press
Draai
it.
som, draai
Then-
som.
I know. Then you turn it around. And press more. So, after we did that, we have to take our cooking mat to
Roll out.
roll out our dough. My dad is gonna roll it because I'm weak. You have to keep adding flour so it won't stick. Don't forget about it. So perfect.
Its next step is
We have to take the baking tray and put it on a working top.
so you take the paper and voila, and voila,
And
like this.
slide-
Yeah. Okay. Then you put some sauce, but not. It's with. You put a lot of sauce. It's
Because
good.
sauce is good.
Sauce is good. Very good sauce. Okay.
We need to put a lot of it.
A lot of cheese. A lot of cheese.
Because cheese is good too.
Because cheese is very, very good. Ah, no, we have to put it at the end. No, it's okay. It's okay. We do it like this.
You were supposed to put it at the end,
So.
but that's fine.
Is filmen? So then we put garlic, a lot of garlic.
It's onion.
I know it's onion. A lot of onion.
What's garlic, bro?
We put a lot of onion. Okay, so we'll taste
No, not too
very,
much.
very good.
But-
Okay, then you put
Capers.
capers.
We have to take
A lot
them.
of capers.
No, not a lot.
That's a lot. Wow, a lot. A lot of caper.
Yes,
Super.
a lot.
A lot of caper. And then you put a lot of tuna. Tuna.
Except no, tuna.
Tuna. Like this. Oh my god, this is a very, very, very special pizza.
So the next step is putting the pizza in the oven and let it cook for around 10 minutes.
Más o menos. ¿Verdad, niña?
That's Spanish.
Okay.
Perfect.
Cerramos.
We put the
Y
timer
dale.
on the phone to not forget about the pizza.
Timer 10 minuti.
We have Siri on our iPhone 16.
Ok, metto un timer.
See you later.
See you later.
Verso 10 minuti.
Bye.
Okay, now the pizza is all ready. We can take it out from the oven And here you are. Mmm, tasty. Hot, hot. And we put the other one inside the oven. And we put, and yes. Okay, Mikkel, let's try the pizza.
Let's try it.
Mmm, very good. How does the pizza taste?
No. No, I know. Sorry. Very good. Very good. Dear friends, thank you for watching the video to the end. I hope you really enjoyed it. Always cook with passion. And remember that we make the videos for us, but above all for
you. Timer, imposta timer 10 minuti.
Metto il timer. Ma mi sembra che tu abbia già attivato un altro timer. Vuoi sostituirlo?
Dai, mettimi sto timer ai mortacci.
Per quanto tempo?
10 minuti.
Ma mi sembra che tu abbia già attivato un altro timer. Vuoi sostituirlo?
Going close.